Hi, this is Carrie with Carrie's Creations, and today I am going to repaint my rooster. It had a little bit of rusting, so my husband primed certain spots with this flat white primer, and it's dry and it's been in the garage for a couple months. I need to get this rooster done, so I'm just going to use spray paint. And the first color I'm going to do is this blue gloss ultra cover paint and primer, and I'm going to paint the blue part of the rooster. And I think what I'm going to do is use some painter's tape and paint around certain spots of the rooster. Paint won't get on other spots. So I'm just kind of going to tape it in spots so it won't get the other colors, the paint on the other colors. It's okay if it gets a little bit of the colors because I'm trying to get it to camouflage or get the paint to kind of do like a layer of paints. It's windy today, so I'm hoping this doesn't blow over. So I'm going to use this paint and primer. It's like a dark blue. Go on to the other side of the rooster and paint the other side of it. If you can see, it needs to be painted also. And I didn't put any painter's paint right here like I did the other side, but that's okay. And I'm trying to get the spots behind it. You can see that there's some green on the ends. That's why I'm not going to do the very ends. I'm going to try to get some green on there also. So I'm just going to spray part of it blue. And I'm also trying to get the pieces behind the little flaps here. It's a gloss and it's a paint and primer. And at first I'm going to use this red. Try to not to get it on this blue right here, but if it does, it's okay. And you can see what it looks like so far. Yes, there is some red right here. I may go over it with some more blue, but I'm gonna continue painting the red and then the yellow. It's dripping a little bit. I think I'm too close. I'm spraying. it's windy too, so. And I'm just painting the red on this side also. Up a little bit of that blue that I got some of the red on. See if I can touch up that little red that I just got blue on. Paint this little area red and this red. That is very bright and it's very windy here. It's okay that I'm getting red here because I'm just going to put some orange around there and it's going to layer over each other, so it should be fine. I'm just going to let that dry. So this is what the rooster looks like after I spray painted it. I'm just going to let it dry. I thought I had some green for the back tail, but I'm going to have to go buy some green and paint that, and then I should be able to put a coating on it, like a clear sealant, and it should be good to go for a couple more years.